Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here. I'm back because my allergy is gone. Yes, 2 weeks ago, I have this allergy right here and it's really red. Oh yes, very red talaga. Tsaka napaka-tsaka niya. Hindi talaga siya pwedeng ipang vlog. So, ayun guys, may na-discover ako online sa Instagram and it's called the CHEEK Lip Tints. Honestly speaking, I really don't want to wear a lot of makeup, so I choose to wear tints or stains. If you know what it is, it's a makeup that is usually really long lasting. It's like it can be a liquid, a gel, or whatever, as long as it gives you that flush look or yung tipong parang the color within. So, ayun guys, papakita ko na sa inyo. So, I got all these colors. So, ito nga yun. I got this deep blush, flamingo, pomegranate, itong magenta, pink kisses, and last would be the love bite. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko and I think this is also their bestseller. So, ito yung stains na to is perfect for those who doesn't really wear makeup at all o yung mga tipong taong gusto na magkaroon ng color sa cheeks nila and sa lips. So, what do you think is the best color for you? Actually, yung ang Love Bite, itong color na to, it's very universal. Ayan o. Ayan. Very universal siya na stain or tint shade. Ayan. When I really like something, I usually buy 2 bottles of stains. Or, itong 2 bottles na to, of course, hindi lang naman siya yung pang-reserve mo. It's more of, yung isa is for the lips, yung isa naman, yung other one naman is for the cheeks. If you want naman, you can just buy one and then siguro use your own hand na lang as a palette. So, as not to mix with the cheeks and the lips. Okay? This is what I'm gonna do. There guys, what do you think? Yes, alright. O, diba? May color na yung cheeks ko and then my lips. So, for those who doesn't really want to put on a lot of makeup, you can just apply this tints from the CHEEK Lip Tint. And they have a lot of colors. And their bestseller is also my favorite. It's called the Love Bite. Yes, the Love Bite it is. So, ayan. If you are a lip and cheek tint girl or a stain girl, you can try this brand. Before you forget and before you leave the house, of course, you have to remove this part of your hand or just wash it with soap and water. And of course, this one. Okay, don't forget. I hope you liked my review and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!